All right, welcome back. 5:47 on your Thursday. This week, seniors climbed aboard a bus to learn some new skills.
Yeah, Fox 5's Carlos Salinas explains how they're helping people with mobility challenges feel a little more confident.
For many seniors, getting on and off the bus can feel intimidating, but here they get to practice boarding in a safe environment before they even take a trip across town. Inside the East Las Vegas Library Plaza, RTC parked one of its buses, turning it into a classroom. Seniors learned how to board safely, pay discounted fares, and even plan trips using the correct routes.
But I want to be able to get around to some places like the senior centers.
At 76, Connie says the training gave her the tools and confidence to explore her community without depending on others.
It is less intimidating because everything is there. It tells you where the stop is, it tells you the color, it tells you when the bus is.
Connie tells us she remembers years ago, she waited nearly an hour for a bus because she didn't know how to read the schedule.
So I got frustrated and I took the bus right on back to my subdivision. But this time, because now I know, look at the color, see how long in between it runs, then I can schedule my time better.
Library staff say offering this training both in English and Spanish was essential in this community.
I believe we always try to do all of our events in Spanish, especially in this area, East Las Vegas. Like, I will say 75% of the population around here is Latino.
And event organizers tell me that this event was all about making sure that no one is left behind when it comes to safe and reliable transportation. Reporting from East Las Vegas, Carlos Salinas, Fox 5 News Local, Las Vegas.
RTC says they're proud to empower these seniors by learning how to confidently use these city buses.